When you think of romance, you might picture sunlit gardens, grand gestures, or happily ever afters. But what if love stories took a darker turn? That is the allure of Gothic romance, a genre that combines the intensity of love with the eerie, haunting elements of Gothic fiction. Gothic romance blends two powerful storytelling traditions, the emotional highs and lows of romantic relationships and the chilling atmosphere of Gothic literature. Picture crumbling castles, stormy nights, and brooding anti heroes. These stories are less about sunshine and rainbows and more about forbidden desires, secrets, and suspense. One of the earliest and most famous examples of Gothic romance is Jane Eyre by Charlotte Bronte. On the surface, it's a love story between Jane, a plain but determined governess, and Mr. Rochester, her enigmatic employer. But dig deeper, and you will find all the hallmarks of Gothic romance. Thornfield Hall, the mysterious mansion filled with hidden rooms, Bertha Mason, the mad woman in the attic, and Rochester's dark past, which threatens to destroy their bond. The result is a tale that's both deeply romantic and unsettlingly eerie. Another iconic work is Wuthering Heights by Emily Bronte, which pushes the boundaries of Gothic romance even further. Heathcliff and Catherine's obsessive, tumultuous relationship unfolds against the bleak, windswept moors, a setting that mirrors their wild emotions. Their love isn't gentle or sweet, it's fierce, destructive, and almost supernatural. Ghostly apparitions and acts of revenge add to the haunting quality of the novel, making it unforgettable for its blend of passion and horror. So, why does Gothic romance resonate so strongly? Because it taps into universal human fears and desires. They ask big questions. Can love conquer darkness? What happens when passion turns toxic? And how far will someone go for the person they adore? Gothic romance also challenges societal norms, especially around gender and power dynamics. Heroines in these stories often defy expectations. They are brave, intelligent, and willing to fight for their independence, even as they navigate oppressive worlds. For example, in Rebecca by Daphne du Maurier, the unnamed protagonist struggles to step out of the shadow of her husband's late wife, Rebecca, whose presence looms large over Manderley estate. The tension between romance and fear drives the narrative, leaving readers breathless until the final page.